Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to demonstrate how to set a jar file into Eclipse. In other terms, how to set a external jar file into Java project in Eclipse. So how can we set a class path so that the jar file related classes can be used inside our application? Let's say I want to use Oracle JDBC driver, but this is not available to my project. So here I will show you how to add that word ODBC jar so that I can use in my project. I have downloaded that project. This is the OJDBC 7.jar. This one I will add to class path. So let me show you. This is my project demo. So right click on this project and go to build path. From build path, we need to go to the last option, configure build path. So this is a configuration wizard for Java build path. Here we need to go to libraries, source, projects and libraries, and order and export and module dependencies. There are multiple tabs and we have to go into libraries. Same wizard we can come from other ways. First we need to select the project and go to project uh, navigation link, and from that go to properties. Here we need to select Java build path again. Yeah, this also gives the same wizard. Here in libraries, select class path and go to add external jars. The jar is outside and my jar is inside in downloads, D drive downloads. Okay, let me go to D drive and downloads. Select the jar file. If you have multiple jar files, no problem, you can select multiple as well. I have requirement only for one jar, so I'm adding this one. Open and apply and close. Now you can see that jar file will be added to our class path. Yeah, now you can see reference libraries OJDBC 7.jar. Let me try whether I can access JDBC driver or not. Oracle driver. See, Oracle.jdbc.driver. This is accessible now. Now I can perform whatever. I can write a JDBC code to connect to Oracle database, and I can do all these things using this jar. Hope you understood how to set the class path for a external jar. Uh, this is the one way, and other is we need to create a one folder inside the project so that that jar is associated within the project. So let me show you. Just go to project path. From the properties you can see in resources you can find the project path. It is in workspace e space and demo. Go to this, click this link so that you will go to that particular folder. Inside demo, create a folder, whatever the folder name might be, lib I am creating, and copy your jar files here. Let's say I have two jars here. Let me copy two jars. Okay, inside lib, yeah, two jars I have copied. Now we will set path to this lib folder. Let me remove this and add from other. So I'm going to Java build path. I right click and from the build path go to configure and build path. Here in libraries, I remove this one and I will add from lib folder. So in class path, add external jars. Now we will go to workspace, and from that workspace I go to demo, and in lib I select the jar files. So now I am selecting all the jar files. So I have to first select this and click on open, so that jar files will appear in the inside class path, and apply and close. Now you can see both jars are available here. So this is a better approach because the jar files will be inside your workspace project itself, so that if you move that project to some other place also, you will be having those jars associated with that one. Yeah, that's all for now to how to set the class path to a external jar file in Eclipse. Hope you understood this. Thanks for watching, and please do subscribe my channel to get the latest updates. Bye for now.